This is a 2014 Dodge Ram Bighorn Edition quad cab 4x4, 123,000 miles, 5.7 liter Hemi engine. It needs nothing mechanically or cosmetically. Super clean truck. It's a dark charcoal gray. Front and rear parking sensor, backup camera, tow package. Chrome wheels, tires in great shape, absolutely no rust on this vehicle, power sliding rear window. Vehicle is running, it needs nothing mechanically or cosmetically. Gray cloth interior, power seats, power windows, locks, mirrors, and cruise. Backup camera. Original floor mats. Backup camera, touchscreen radio, Bluetooth. 123,000 miles. So this is a 2014 Dodge Ram quad cab 4x4 Bighorn Edition, 123,000 miles in absolutely wonderful condition.